Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. We're back with another episode. Today, it's serious business, guys. Today, we're just here to just actually discuss what's been happening at one of the biggest clubs in SA. But yeah, I'm even scared to say one of the biggest. I even doubt it's one of the biggest at the moment. It might be bottom 3 or something. So yeah, serious guys. Today it's no funny business. So here, Freeman on my left, away. This guy is there. He was finishing you slow.
Hi, I'm not gonna say anything.
yeah.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Slow there and Spuda Mapukado.
Bambita Tao.
Yeah, guys, as you heard with my intro,
Bro.
like I said, today it's serious business. When was it? On Friday, we saw an interview of Kaizer Junior Mutau with Rob. Yeah, discussing Kaizer Chiefs. I think he went there obviously to do damage control because he saw like fans are very, very angry. But wait, there's no damage control now. Now things went south.
Wait, there was no control that was done. That again, it's the same thing that guy always does.
Yeah.
It's some fancy words and some English, but it didn't really give us any answers. He didn't really see anything. And we saw Rob try to push him because what Mtaung said was a time when Mtaung said we need results immediately.
Yeah.
Sure.
What is immediately? Because right now we lost the derby. After a derby, we lost to Richards Bay.
Before even a derby, we lost to Stellenbosch.
So we've lost 3 games in a row. And we're about to break to create history.
Before we lost to Stellenbosch, we lost to
That team,
Icaf.
Zamalek.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before that, we lost another game as well.
No, but I think it's a we are creating league because we lost Nedbank, then we lost KEF, then we lost the league, right? So now in the league, we lost against Pirates, we lost against Richards Bay, and then we lost against Stellenbosch, right? Now there's a game coming. If we lose that game again, it's going to be the first time in history Kaizer Chiefs loses 4 consecutive games.
League games.
League games. For the first time in history. And now it's telling us about immediate results. If they're not results, when you spoke to the coaches, we set a goal for them. So we must not make decisions hasty. What is that guy talking about?
What? Yeah. Actually, before we
Why
get,
are they still there?
before yeah,
I think fans were even striking. They went there to talk to the staff and everything.
yeah, the management.
I saw this other guy saying they told them that next game they don't want those 2 coaches. That's the first thing they don't want.
But it's
Then
not
they told them it's something that we're working on. It's something that we're discussing. We're gonna get back to you right before the match.
I mean, even that, even with that statement, we're gonna get back to you right before the match. Like it just shows.
So what will they say?
Nah, but it just shows like you have no clue of what you're doing. Actually, at the moment, I wouldn't say Kaizer Chiefs is a football club anymore. To me, Kaizer Chiefs is a commercial club because they've shifted their focus from being a football club to being a commercial club.
Money making scheme, basically.
So now, we can actually put Kaizer Chiefs along with Manchester United.
Actually, no, along with ANC. Understand this? That club is now like ANC. They don't give the people what they want. It's all about them making money. That's how the ANC operates. They promise. When it gets bad as it is now, give us fancy English. We vote for them. And in this case, the vote is the support that we give Kaizer Chiefs.
Because what you mean, every good coach with Kaizer Chiefs gets fired for no reason. Like they just disappear.
No, they find a reason.
Yeah, like Mara, even
It's just
the
like
reasons that
ANC.
fans
Just
don't
like
see,
ANC. Mau shaya ispansak ANC. There's a problem with you.
I mean,
We
one
can't
coach,
give you 40 million and then you use 38 million for the project. No, you must only use 5. And then the rest comes to us. You understand? So it's the same with Kaizer Chiefs. It's not about the money. If you're not making money, there's a problem.
You can't buy a player.
Yeah.
You have to sign free agents. The money that we're making off shirts, of everything, can't go to buy.
They need maximum profits. That's it.
like, and this other time, you guys were saying, us, we are overreacting and stuff when we bash the coach. Every time when a coach makes a mistake, it's back against them.
So it's a different case.
Yeah, it's a different case, but sometimes I think it's important for the fans not to make anyone comfortable with him in.
Yeah, but so, remember, I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
But you guys lost the game.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
We did not lose a game. We
We're
lost
losing
4.
games.
We lost 4 cups. 4 cups. 4.
And we lost
And we lost 5 games. That is completely. See, if maybe slow, we played well. We qualified to CAF.
Those 4
No,
cups.
besides the slow.
Yeah.
It's going to be better if maybe we qualify to the round of
16 or
8.
yeah.
Yeah. Lapa we CAF. And then we lost the derby. Yes, we might have lost the derby, but at least you have something to fight for.
Yeah.
If maybe we're not playing, we're still there. Fine, it's just a game. We lost the game, but we're still
There's something you
there.
can
But now
do.
there's nothing to play for at all.
So
And
yeah.
the painful thing is, we don't even show a fighting spirit in terms of
But don't you,
everything esidlalayo.
don't you guys think ukuthi even the players like are tired? They are fighting like for those coaches to leave because the way they are playing,
The way we don't care.
the way they are like.
it's
Besides,
the same,
Dana,
my friend.
if you check, each and every I can say for the past 10 years, Kaizer Chiefs has been performance-wise has been below Pirates, but Derby they don't show it. Like
Yeah,
even
yeah.
if they are playing CAC, they just lost against a team relegation zone. Derby you'll think Kaizer Chiefs is on top of the league because in Pirates we have this culture of playing quick football, ne? But Leontole, it happens against Chiefs because the Chiefs want to maulala against Pirates, counter-attack goal.
So
But that match,
the problem is not even the derby, man.
yeah.
Yeah, like short side, like
Never,
because
but I'm just
that's
saying,
us.
I'm
It
just
goes-
saying,
it
with
goes-
this
yeah, it
derby,
goes deep,
this
deep,
derby,
deep.
your enemies, which like
So-
fans is bebe kanje.
No, but
Everyone
It's been,
was.
no, it's been booming. It's been quick.
Yeah, it was,
No.
but
No.
you guys were like, okay, because you will lose today, win the
I think
next
now
match.
it has come to a
No.
point
No.
where
No.
everyone is heading out.
Colin, I think we're part of the first teams.
Yeah, first round. Yeah,
In Nedbank.
First round.
yeah,
ICAF kahle kahle you can say we're on the first round because
See.
from our group stages.
yeah.
Yo,
Every cup is
yeah. When
at the
you,
beginning. What is that?
Yeah,
A
what-
big team, a so-called big team.
Now,
But
Buddha.
in mistake here, no, you guys were celebrating Ama wins are useless.
No,
I'm saying,
slow.
like they weren't celebrating akhona into eyenza ukuthi
Slow, you're
even
not understanding.
the management
Slow.
like,
The issues
No.
of you're not
Yeah.
understanding.
If you're first 5 games,
the thing is,
that's win.
yeah,
5 clean games. The next game,
Mava is cool.
we CAF.
Yeah,
Obvious. After 5 games, would you say you're not confident?
you are confident.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See why with that confidence. Bah, Indo.
Besen
Okay.
in a foot. Besen.
Bear in
Can we
mind,
notice a problem?
bear in mind what he's saying. Marcia Kev, all of a sudden the 5-game winning squad says a change. Let's start there.
Yeah.
Exactly.
The 5-game winning squad is not being changed. For what reason? We have no idea. And you can't complain about fatigue because at that time it was very early. We had enough time. The window was still. We had enough windows between games, so
And we
you
are
couldn't
coming from
justify.
a break.
Yeah, so you couldn't justify benching those players. Why are you
And
changing?
even the same thing happened. Mara, I see people are quiet about it. They like nomfundo not even being on the substitute.
No, but
They
has
said
not been
injured,
there.
yeah,
Has not been there for a while.
But it's
Ever
better-
since
it's better
that performance against Stellenbosch,
Yeah, but it's better.
He needed a break.
It's better than
at this point is not. Please, he missed a sitter, yes, but two missed 3. There's one that missed 1 open net. There's one who missed 3 1v1s.
But guys, I want to actually now let's actually just dive deep. Let's just dive deep.
Emotional.
I want us to actually now.
Kaizer Chiefs, they don't care about it. They don't care.
I want
They
us
don't
to
care.
actually let's actually go back. Let's go back. What's wrong with Kaizer Chiefs? I mean, I know the question is being asked
Constantly.
Yeah, constantly.
Yeah.
But what went wrong?
I feel
I'll
like-
go let me learn.
Yeah.
I'll go back to 2014, 2015. 2014, 2015, 2013, 2014, 12, 13. Their Chiefs was challenging for everything.
Yeah.
You had characters in the squad. You had Chabalala, you had Parker, you have Itumele Nkune, Mato, you had leaders in the squad.
Mm-hmm.
Then all of a sudden, team has nothing. What happened? What happened what happened?
Now, I feel like people know what's wrong. Ne? We always say it. The reason why Kaizer Chiefs won't have a coach like Pito, a coach like Unabi, a coach that is given control. Obviously, a team won't give full control to the coach, but give that control, because you can tell even Madrid, Barcelona, there is always control above the coach. But with the Chiefs, I feel like a coach doesn't have control at all. And I feel like players now, they don't. I might lose my job if I don't do this and this. If fighting for the team, even if I relax today, I don't score, they won't say anything. I'll lose the first lineup or I'll lose the job. Control abantu abaphezulu that don't even care about football, people that are focusing on board money and everything. I'm not saying this is all true, but the way isn't
Allegedly.
yeah, the way isn't it's like having a school esingena next ball. Like a person that will fund you for everything, invest in a business that has no idea of a business like on. So right now I can say Kaizer Chiefs run abantu who don't care ukuthi silala kanjani, people that will go and scout where without knowing ukuthi lo muntu uzolethana. And manje they want to control a team just like lento ayenzwa. Yeah. Like lento ayenzwa ku Bafana. The same thing ayenzwa ku Bafana is the same thing that's happening with Chiefs. Like they want to choose ukuthi okay today ngicela udlale sonto. No umuntu unjwayelile izolo ngicela ufake uVilakazi ngapha ufake uLilepo ngapha but uLilepo umistile ngithefaka lo muntu like ngathi into eyenzakalayo like they don't go according to our performances. I mean khona le Mfrustana ubani Ecuador ubani that guy umuntu angene adlale trend the next match bench disappear
so but Ecuador
like kunama players who Kaizer Chiefs that disappear like uzibuza ukuthi kanjani Kaizer Chiefs ayifani. Okay, Sundowns can buy a player to bench, like you won't see the player at all. You can see with this person, they bought this person to eliminate the competition. Then there's the Pirates. Yeah, but against those small teams. Then there's the Pirates. The Pirates gives the player a chance. Then he fumble or totally injury, then quit. But it gives the player nyamalala next. Like nothing. Muntavela nyamalala. So I feel like it's part of the control.
But also, where did Kaizer Chiefs lose it? Because I'd argue.
I think after Baxter.
So
that time.
During that era, they didn't have control. Like coaches had control.
I think it was limited because the baby coach umuntu that I think umuntu on experience, more experience, and the.
But he came back. He came back and failed.
Yeah, but back then there was Abu Katan. There was that.
Ngine point valid.
Yeah.
Ukuthi kahle inkinga iqale kuphi.
Yeah.
iKaizer Chiefs ungabheka from beginning. 2014 we always had experience esquadini every time up until kwafika umuntu oyi-1 uMangiet. You see after era Yabanukovic we were supposed to add more to his squad set.
Others one.
uMangiet wafika wakhipha isipiliyoni sonke besinazo wafuna ukurebuild. Who rebuilt a big team?
Spuda. As you came up with a very valid point. Yesterday when I was watching that interview Mtaung Junior, what this guy said when they were asking him about his time because he's now like not your pet. He's now
he's the technical director.
Yeah. So he's flexing with in his 3 years in charge.
Yeah, they've won Nedbank.
And there's one key thing that he said.
Yeah.
He said they have a fresher squad. So in his head, having youth players, Abomfundo, now all those young players, maybe players above 25 or above 28, it's an achievement.
Yeah.
But in a big club, that's not an achievement.
He said
he's proud, which we have youthful players.
He said they reduced the average
age. My friend, nobody cares about that. I'm not saying there's something wrong with giving youth a chance. But if you're gonna give someone a chance, let it be someone who deserves the chance, not because of the stats. And we don't want the stats. We don't want the stats.
And plus, you have to learn from someone.
Yes.
So if nonke sending on the same age, who's gonna tell the other one who doesn't? Free kick ma shy. Are you shy on my laces?
Yeah.
Shy.
Yeah.
Because we are the same age.
Parena is proud. We have a youthful squad.
We have a youthful someone squad. Who's coming down.
Like there's a reason why Sundowns still have Abo Onyang, Abo Zoa. There are players that you don't sell. You don't sell. If Ichai the career can move them to a higher a goalkeeper coach or a technical coach.
So actually the success.
Yeah.
If a big player is leaving, we can tell as fans one of that guy is now the next.
Yeah. With Kaizer Chiefs there was never that.
Yeah.
When Katsande left, when
we didn't
left,
even have a defensive midfielder. Let's start there. I don't recall besides Ox now. I don't recall us having a solid defensive midfielder. Akumaki.
James Forte.
He was even a centre back at the end of
Yeah.
So doesn't really make sense.
So our petty culture achieves team.
What culture? What culture is there?
Unukovic reminded us of Abomson,
a
striker who was ball playing at the same time as Shai Khan. So far Unukovic. Mangenu to press. To press in Hey, non-stop.
I have it. Yes, I have.
She has a share
of like Agnamunto provider,
I tell you, Piniminiman.
So,
come on.
This was Bulalo.
Who's this guy? We are from Milan, from Gonzalez.
Gonzalez.
Yes.
And what's the problem with that club actually? It's a family business, right? Now with the family business, the issue is those guys, all 3 of them or 4 of them, whatever the number is, there's still someone else who's in charge from the looks of it, right?
Yeah.
As much as Junior is now the technical director, you know what, these coaches, they must go. I decided they must have breakfast first. And in that table, if 2 of them say, I know, let's give him a chance, he's outvoted.
Yeah.
He will never just wake up himself and say, no, I'm going to fight these guys. It's a collective. It's a collective. They must discuss, they must brainstorm, they must come with ideas, even though these guys must be sacked.
Yeah.
But he can't, that's, again, it's a thought that I'm having. He can't, even that interview, it was just a PR interview.
Yeah,
as in Junior, we are sending you. Go and talk.
Yeah, just like you said about
this is the message.
It's a money making
Yes.
ANC. Obviously, if they're gonna have to fire the coach, they're gonna have to bring in an experienced coach.
Yes.
Like I'm a fans bafuna Upito.
Yes.
Upito who's on a technical team yake, which means more money going out.
But we can afford it.
Do you know what he said? It's like he doesn't want to speak about Upito or out of those guys out of respect of the type of players. What does that have to do with anything? Yeah.
We fire an experienced coach. Experienced via Kevin Hunt. And who do we replace him with? Sifake
assistant coach. No, let's not put it. Let's use titles.
Even
fine.
Let's use titles.
Umuntu ophuma with DDC. Oyazi
but even before that, like the timing of the sacking, you're going to a final. Who does that? Like you're going.
These guys,
like the coach that took you to is having a bad game, go league. Ne?
But it wasn't a bill.
They are number 7, I think.
It wasn't.
That's
Next season they finished worse.
Yeah.
Next season.
Yeah. Next season you finished number 9. You didn't play top 8.
Actually, Chiefs is not menu. It's becoming Spurs. What's happening to Spurs?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Same thing. So now,
same thing.
Back to Kaizer Chiefs not replacing key players. So with that, they lost the team culture, they lost the team structure, and they lost the identity. Kaizer Chiefs right now it's lost. Like the identity, there's nothing that they've lost.
I've always said.
We don't know.
I've always said with the Kaizer Chiefs, honestly, the team is there. The only thing that's keeping Kaizer Chiefs is fans.
Yeah,
it's fans.
Funny enough, do you know what is one thing they did not lose?
Yeah,
man. There was never regardless of the position.
Yeah.
I don't think it was ever Kaizer Chiefs had a loss, a financial loss.
Yeah.
I don't think they make their records public. I've never heard of financial records.
But
I don't think
you can tell by attendance every time.
No, besides that, I don't think there was a year whereby they had a board meeting and like, okay guys, this year we had a financial loss. Yeah. We need to change 1, 2,
or cut the cost.
Let's cut the cost.
I'm a player or reduce some salaries. I'm a player for just.
I mean, I'll give them credit for this. I mean, the Kaizer Chiefs. That's why at the start of the video I said Kaizer Chiefs is no longer a football club; it's a commercial club.
It is.
Kaizer Chiefs as a brand,
they should put the same effort
Kaizer Chiefs
Kaizer
Chiefs as a brand is huge. Kaizer Chiefs, the brand. Come on, Kaizer Chiefs, the brand. I don't think there's any other brands that wouldn't want to work with Kaizer Chiefs,
regardless of the position.
Exactly. So Kaizer Chiefs as a brand, they've done a brilliant job, and I think they focus all their attention on the brand. That's why I said, and I'm still saying, they're no longer a football club. They're a commercial club right now, where they just focus on the commercial side of things. Because as a brand, I mean, Sundowns I'll use Sundowns. Sundowns is good. Sundowns is good as a football club.
Yeah.
But as a brand, Sundowns is not touching Kaizer Chiefs.
It's not even on.
Orlando Pirates, it's good as a club. But
balanced.
As a brand, it's not.
But compared to Kaizer Chiefs,
but
it's up. Orlando Pirates is up. But compared to Kaizer Chiefs,
is high.
I mean, I remember when was it? World Cup year for rugby, when they made that green shirt.
Yeah.
That green shirt was not for Kaizer Chiefs. That green shirt, they made that green shirt to beat both worlds, the rugby and the new Kaizer Chiefs fans who support rugby. They're gonna buy that shirt. Yeah. So there, it was an alternative way to say, get this shit.
Smart.
So,
Smart.
In the commercial world, I guess I choose. So now, it's no longer a football club, like I said.
Yeah, it's a marketing team. The marketing team I run with the lady.
Also, I also heard a chat on Twitter. People actually saying Jessica's getting credit for actually nothing. She doesn't do anything. We don't buy merchandise because of Vienna. We don't go there because of Vienna. We go there because of the brand.
Yeah.
It's just that she's like that. The depend that she's in charge of runs itself.
Yeah.
It's not like when she came in the job, she did something different that made us go there. She's just getting credit because of already the club. That's where the club is.
Sure.
I'm not sure if you get what I mean.
But
so it's like we're giving credit for
the club. It's invalid to everything. But don't you think Uguti going from Nike to Kappa was actually a bit of a downgrade now?
In terms of what? Because they made money.
They're making money. I'm just saying as Kaizer Chiefs brand, because Ikapa doesn't put any. You see these days, our teams like Mzansi, it has become a thing. You're going to be inspecting with super class clothing.
So if you can
not doing any
Puma does have nice designs as well.
Yeah, I'm talking about
the brand.
Puma is better. It can give out better clothes, better stuff.
Which one is better? Nike is offering you 10 million. Kappa comes in is offering you 20.
Yeah.
No, don't forget Futi Kappa was part of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, back then.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
I'm saying now.
The relation, yeah.
Yeah, so now comes with a big offer.
That is idea.
Yeah, by Barcelona. I remember that.
But just before we close, way two from way two for Kaizer Chiefs now.
Yeah, the way forward.
What do you want Buddha to happen right now, Ekos?
I'm a players. They must realize what the name Gamma Boys.
Yeah.
I wear a mistake. People end, but
there's no Gamma anymore.
The reason why we are proud of the Kaizer Chiefs, we did not wake up and say we are proud without a valid reason. The players were representing us. Do you know, for your pride to grow, someone has to nurture it. It was nurtured in us. I knew it would Mangiti. Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team. Them, the players, they defend me.
Yeah,
I defend them outside. In the field, they defend me. Right now, I'm even scared of wearing t-shirt. My money.
Because you know.
Yes, I have to go because every time I'm doing boss, are you okay? Everything all right? Why this shirt today? Why this shirt today? What?
It's fun with every day man figure that is sponsor. I ask them, are you okay today?
So when I don't even know why we're asking you.
Me I can.
You are a hater.
No, remember.
But fine.
Remember me. I can be a rival, but I'm a fan of football.
Okay, so hater. Tell us. What's the way forward for Kaizer Chiefs? According to you,
Kaizer Chiefs. Starting from fans, they shouldn't make people comfortable. A player plays one game, becomes excellent. I'm not saying take away the credit from the player, but don't go crazy as if like the player has already won the league. If a team wins, fair you won, but look at how you won the game. Even if you play well, you are a big team. Play well, win. Don't know play well, draw. Like, throw it, but did you see the game? You are a big team. Stop tolerating nonsense. We were mad. We were mad Teenage Pirates because we lost 2 games. We didn't want that. And those 2 games, as Costa isn't as bad. Look at Bonamanj, we're not clear. But you were mad. You guys were saying, coach when Benittin Funukbana, but Manchester Nam Chigela. That's what should happen. A coach should know what to flow pile. Like if Komele won, okay, these people they tried everything but they failed. Then you guys always saying we always have escape code. You must also have that so that even nama players now they don't relax. If nonsense like Chiefs, I say now a player plays bad game today, they play good game. They play 2 bad games, they play 1 good game. Everything is good. You're going to talk about that 1 game. You beat Sundowns. You're going to talk about beating Sundowns the whole season. You win Nedbank after 10 years. You're going to talk about it the whole year. Forgetting you are still struggling. You might have won in Nedbank, but you are still...
But it's taking facts.
But okay, I'm not taking it away. No, I'm not taking it away.
It's taking facts.
I'm not taking it away.
With the Nedbank was a bad example, right?
No,
but
it's
with the games,
it's not a bad example.
It is.
If we jump over to their side right now, you ask them about the league. You change.
No. Right now, you made a perfect example about Tottenham. Right now, each Chiefs is Tottenham. So you're telling me with Tottenham must now celebrate Utibawini playing as the way they are?
No.
It's the same thing with Chiefs.
No, it's so remember, Mamel, it's special in a league. I know FA Cup, I know Carabao, I know Knicks.
But let's talk in the space of 10 years.
Let's talk about Arsenal. You can use Arsenal example. Those guys have not won the league in years.
No,
I can't use us. Let's talk about Arsenal.
Yeah,
they've not won it before right now. Yeah. Before that period. If Arsenal right now can win the FA Cup, or the Carabao Cup, it's going to be worth it for them. Even though they've not won it for years. It's going to be worth it for them. It will be.
No,
it will be.
No,
you will not take it.